This is Pioneer, July the 20th. As y'all can guess, probably ain't gonna be no hill climb tonight. Pretty bad right now. A lot of videos being taken and everything right now, just so everybody knows. Everybody's moving in, moving out, moving up. This is what we're doing. I got you on GoPro, dude. Needless to say, it ain't looking too good right now. So this is the beer can race. This is Kelly's beer can race right here. Here they go. Yeah, Gail's coolers over there. That's Arnold's camper and everything. We're kind of worried about that. Down below, down there, we got Rick Ralston's motorcycle on a trailer. I'm not sure how that's going to fare before it all ends up, but we can only pray that it will quit raining here soon.